Our journey through the forgotten mines has brought us crystal pockets, brilliant agate stones, and even the hint of a diamond. Today we dive deeper, where untouched earth hides gems that could outshine all our past finds. Welcome back, gem hunters. Today we're on a thrilling journey to discover some of the Earth's hidden treasures, from rose quartz to $1,000 agates and even rare gems in diamond mines. Join us as we explore, dig, and uncover precious stones. Welcome back, Diamond Hunter. Today, we're on a thrilling journey to discover some of the Earth's hidden treasures, from rose quartz to $1,000 agates and even rare gems in diamond mines. Join us as we explore, dig, and uncover precious stones that have been waiting millions of years just beneath our feet. Hey gem lovers! I'm Diamond Hunter, and today we're diving deep into the world of rare minerals and gemstones. We're in Abandoned, one of the richest gem-bearing regions. This place is famous for its stunning rose quartz, valuable agates, and of course diamonds. Whether you're a seasoned gem collector or just curious, you're in for a treat. So grab your shovels, dust off your gear, and let's start digging for some serious bling. Before we dive into the dig, let me give you a bit of background. This mine has a unique geological history, making it a hot spot for some of the rarest and most beautiful stones. From ancient volcanic activity to years of mineral-rich deposits, this area has it all. And with a bit of luck, we're going to uncover some serious gems today. Alright, we're starting our dig here, in one of the best spots for rose quartz. Rose quartz is known for its pale pink hue and is often called the stone of love. It's one of the most sought-after stones for jewelry, home decor, and even spiritual healing. Oh, look at this. We've already hit some. See that beautiful pink color? That's high-quality rose quartz. Look how the light catches it, just stunning. Next, we're moving to a section where agate has been found in the past. Agate comes in various colors and patterns, and the rarer ones can fetch thousands of dollars on the market. Agate often forms in volcanic rocks and can have incredible bands of color, unique to each stone. And who knows, with a bit of digging, we might find one worth $1,000 or more. Would you look at that? This agate is an absolute beauty. With these intricate patterns, I wouldn't be surprised if this stone is worth a pretty penny. Our final stop is the diamond mine section. Not only can we find diamonds here, but occasionally, other rare stones are uncovered. It's rare, but stones like sapphires or even emeralds have been found among the diamonds. Diamond mining is a bit different. It requires more precision, and sometimes it's all about patience. But with the right technique and a bit of luck, we might just get our hands on something truly extraordinary. Check this out. This is why we dig, folks. A genuine diamond, right here in our hands. Look at these beauties. Today was an incredible adventure. From stunning rose quartz to vibrant agates and even a diamond, each piece tells a story millions of years. Check this out. This is why we dig, folks. A genuine diamond, right here in our hands. Look at these beauties. Today was an incredible adventure. From stunning rose quartz to vibrant agates and even a diamond, each piece tells a story millions of years in the making. These stones will either make stunning jewelry or become treasured pieces in someone's collection. Thanks for coming along on this dig. If you enjoyed exploring the world of gemstones, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments which gem would you love to find.